Recording has been started.
Yes, students. First of all, you must note down your syllabus, what we have to do in PT1 from the book Beehive. As I have told you, you have two books. One is Beehive, the second one is Moments. In the first book, Beehive, you will have chapter 1, that is the fun they had. You can open your book and see the name. Otherwise, this PDF of the syllabus will be shared. If it is not shared yesterday, it will be shared today. No problem. You can keep the copy of that also. Just understand and mark the chapters in your book only. Then lesson 2, the sound of music. There are 2 chapters from this book. Then you will have poem 1, the road not taken. Poem 2, wind, and poem 3, rain on the roof. Clear? 2 chapters and 3 poems from this book. Then if we go for the second book, that is Moments. In this book again you will have chapter 1, the lost child, and chapter 2, the adventures of Toto. Clear? 2 chapters from the second book, Moments. In the grammar part, though you have done all the topics up to your 8th class, there's nothing new for you, but still we will revise the rules and we'll have some practice exercises for different topics of the grammar, and then at the end you will have integrated exercises. Clear? It will not be as you are having in 8th class, separate exercise or separate sentences for all the grammar topics. From 9th onward, the pattern is changed, and you had got in the final term of your 8th class also, editing, omission, mixed topics. In the same way, here also in 9th and 10th, you will get integrated grammar topics. But to go up to that, we need to revise all the topics again. So we will be revising only 2 topics in the PT1, that is determiners and tenses. Only 2 topics will revise, and your PT1 paper grammar part will be based on only these 2 topics. Clear? Then in the writing skills, you will have diary entry. That is also not new for you. You have already done it, but still we will revise the format and other things that should be taken care of. Then next part, reading skills. You know, you have comprehension passages in your previous classes also. Here also you will have comprehension passage for the reading skills. So you will have all the parts as you were getting in your 6th, 7th, 8th classes, your reading skills, writing skills, grammar part, and the literature part. 4 parts in your paper will be there. So if any doubt is there, you can wait for the PDF that your class in charge will share with you for the syllabus, and then you can note down clearly. Okay. Now we are moving towards the syllabus. If you have book with you, you can open your book in front of you. Beehive, as I have already sent you the message. If you don't have the book, I'm sharing the PDF of the chapter with you. You can see on that. And if you find any problem in your network issue, you can switch off your video, no problem. No problem is there if you can switch off your video. And if I find any problem, I may also switch off my video. So please keep on listening and understanding. At the end, I'll give you 5 minutes and you can ask your problems in that. Today we have some disturbance. It's the first day. From tomorrow onward, we'll be having regular work. Okay. Now the first chapter that is in your syllabus, that is the fun they had. You can unmute yourself and anyone of you can tell me what do you mean by the fun? Nipun Puri. Nipun Puri, please beta unmute yourself. Can you explain me the meaning of fun?
Enjoy.
The fun means to enjoy something, to have amusement.
Enjoy something.
When we feel happy with something, that thing we call as fun. And try to understand the title of your chapter, the fun they had. They here refers to anyone who has read the chapter beforehand. They had. Lavanya, can you tell? Yes.
The students in past.
Yes. Here they refers to the students. So what they are talking about in this chapter is the fun they had. Please keep yourself mute, Nipun. Keep yourself mute, beta. The fun they had, it refers to the students of the past, how they enjoy. And the past here refers to you students who were coming before 1 year in the school physically, attending the classes regularly, sitting with your friends, having direct interaction with your teachers. Think of the scenario now, the change in your education system you have got now. Now you are sitting at home, learning from the virtual classes, having e-books, and you are also having a little bit experience that is given to you in this chapter. Clear? So if we read the beginning lines, then after that we'll do one activity according to the picture given in your book. You can look at your book. What they are writing in the very beginnings is, before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. You have got the experience now कि आपके पास book नहीं भी है, even then you are able to understand through the net, through the e-books and through the computers. And they are talking about that time of the future when there will be no books, no schools, and the students will be having their education through the e-books, through the computers only. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some idea. Please look at the diagram given in your book. Take 1 minute to think over. I'm giving you 1 minute to look at the book and see the picture. If you don't have the book, look at the screen I'm sharing with you. Look at that picture, what they have given in the middle, schools of the future. And what will happen in the future, you can correlate it with your present time scenario also, because you have reached up to that stage due to this COVID-19 pandemic. And we are experiencing the real thing in our life, what is given to you in this chapter. What they say, schools of the future. कैसे होंगे, इसमें 4 पिक्चर्स उन्होंने आपको दी हुई है. Please try to think over, then we'll discuss. Look at those pictures and think over what comes in your mind. Yes. Aryan Sharma. Aryan Sharma, please unmute yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, beta. Aryan Sharma, are you able to answer? Okay, Lavanya, you tell, beta.
These pictures suggest us the idea of the schools which will be in future, and we can also correlate them with the today's situation. As due to COVID, we all are sitting at our homes and doing classes online.
The same pictures we
So
can see at our homes now. Yes, isn't it? Yes. What they say, schools of future kaise honge? Learning through computers, first picture. The student is sitting on the computer. Then virtual classroom, as you are having now. Robotic teacher. Is it match with today's scenario? No, this is the difference we are having still now. We are having human beings as your teachers now who are teaching you in the virtual class. And then the fourth one is moving e-text that we are having, because I'm sharing with you the screen and the book is moving picture of the book you have with you. Okay? So this picture gives us a little bit resemblance or similarity that we are facing now. The only difference that we don't have the robotic teachers, you have your human beings teachers who are teaching you still in the virtual classes. Then there is one more activity they have given. In pairs, discuss 3 things that you like best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Please think over it. This is your activity as a homework today. Okay, you all will think over on this point. What 3 things you like the best about your school and which 3 things about your school you would like to change. Please note down in the form of points 3 things for both in your notebook, and then we'll discuss it tomorrow. Then come to the next part. They say, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Yes, no doubt, because we have so much development now in the technology and we are using the computers. Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? Think over it. We'll have the discussion on both these topics tomorrow. Okay? If you feel whether it would be better for you to have education online only without any teacher, only with the robotic, or the self-made these videos or other things, no teacher is there to teach you and only you have the reading on the computers, there are no books printed on the papers, then what would be the situation? Would you like such books better, or you would you'd like to read through the books on the papers? Clear? So we don't have much time to continue with the chapter. Please think over these 2 points and then we'll have discussion and we'll start reading of the chapter. But you must read at least 1 page, page number of your book, that is 5 and 6. On 5 page there are only few lines, then on page 6 you 1 page you are to come with the reading so that you can understand carefully and you can participate in the discussion. If you can read, it's better. Okay.